So hello, this is the part 4, how to make a breakout game in Scratch, or the part 3. So what we made in the part 2, it was friction, gravity, the main thing, and never forget shooting. We have done the shooting slower. So before I start, I just want to do this set gravity to 0 in the reset player. Something like this. Nothing will happen. Nothing happens new. But we can fly more up. And over here, we can't fly that much. So just put this script over here. So I will start by making a new variable P1 damage for all sprites, and then P2 damage, this also for all sprites. So in the player 1 bullet, duplicate this if so I will do something like I did. So now if we test the game, the P2 damage isn't changing. So why is it happening? If you put it in this forever loop, because this only managed the deleting clone, if we do it like this, it is changing. So but over here it isn't. So for this I will just delete this clone after that. So do something like I did. Just grab this up a bit, and here just grab a touching edge because it detects the touching player over here also. It goes over here, and if it is touching the edge, yeah, it hides, means delete the clone. So till now everything is fine. So just delete this or. Now we can test the game again. and the same code on the bullet player 2. And just grab it up the same changes as we have done in that. So in the player 1, go to the player 1 and in the reset player you have to also set our P1 damage to 0. And over here also I will bring the set gravity to 0. Set P2 damage to 3. I just did 0 over here. 3. So now set P1 damage to 3. Set P2 damage to 3. So if I press the down arrow key, it gets damage. So I just found the error. We should keep this damage ones over here. Press this, damage got again 3. Press this, getting damage again 3. So now over here, in here we have to just grab if in the player 1, I am doing it in the player 2. Grab this if. I think it should be above these change y by blocks. If then equals to, so if P2 damage equals to 0, then make a new block, name it lost. So now over here grab the lost. So just we have created a block lost because just it should run without screen refresh. This code should run without screen refresh. So we have to repeat it 10 times. Change ghost effect by 10. And we have to broadcast a message. Broadcast a message. And we can name this P1 means P2, or a good name is P1 wins. Okay, and now S S. By mistake I did run without screen refresh. We don't need a run without screen refresh. So now it will go with a cool effect. Ghost effect isn't important. You can also use mosaic effect. Not mosaic, a pixelate effect. Like this. But I think ghost effect is more better. S key, S key, S key. And just all the same in the P1. Because same should be in the P1 or the player 1. Both are same, I think. So again the same thing you have to do. But this time P1 damage. And not P1 wins, P2 wins. So now, oh man, this isn't getting any damage. Oh, I think I lost from me only. I lost. Everything is working correctly. So I will just add a wait 5 seconds. Stop all. And same over here. Wait 5 seconds. Stop all. And now let's see who will die. I think both died. So first I will try with the P1. So I think just delete this stop all. This is disturbing our code. So big fight between these both. I think P2 will win. I never think right. So now, as all this is working, we have to just create a new sprite. So paint a new sprite. Take the text, not sans serif handwriting, black, P1, P1 wins. Take this, I will just add the outline of this outline, do the color black and very much dark outline. I wouldn't add this much outline, this much isn't fine. You should add like 3's outline. So now I will just duplicate this, means copy and paste. Do this fill to white. Now outline. Now it is just looking like a 3D effect. You can also do like this, but I am putting the 3D effect. Nothing is can be able to see over here, but in the project we can. Duplicate this and it should be P2 wins. So over here again I will do the same thing. Text black, outline 3, P2 wins. I can't adjust the same size, so I am making a different size. So I will just hide this P1 wins to see how P2 wins is coming. Its outline should be of 3. Copy and paste. No outline. Fill in with white. Everything is 3D now. 0 y 0. So let's code this block. Means sprite. When I receive P2 wins, we have to show, go to front layer, just as normal coding, and for just some animation we have to wait until touching edge. Wait until touching edge. Move 10 steps. And then again move 10 steps, and this time wait until X position equal to, I am just adding this. I think I can also delete this code because I don't like that much animation. So when green flag clicked, we have to hide. Hide, and over here we have to stop all. So this is the P2 win, so I have to move negative 10 steps, and just for more, duplicate this ground costume, flip vertically, press the shift key. So for better turns, press the shift key and turn. The outline is showing. Yeah, now go over here, flip horizontally, so I will press the shift key and move this. Shift key. Don't worry about that sticky keys. I'm just moving it like this. You can use the shift key, because from the shift key it moves well. No code. P2 wins, wait until touching ground 2. Then in the negative 1 step, wait until touching ground 3. So let's start. I have to kill the P1, not the P2. Before showing, you have to go to X0, Y0. I think its size is so big that it is touching it on just the first size 50. I have to fly away, I think. So if I do like this, this, I think it just happened one time. We have to put this in the forever loop. I don't know why this comes. You have to just click the green flag twice. Or we can grab this in a repeat until. I'm just finding the error and coming again. So I have made the animation as I wanted. So you can copy the code from here I'm just putting this all code over here. Also in the P1 wins. This has gone to the ground. Has it gone again to the ground or not? No, now it is on over here. No code in the ground. So in the P1 wins. Where is the other code? I don't know what is happening with the code. P1 wins. And yeah, so go to x0, y0, show, go to front layer, and then set size to 100%. Repeat 10 times, change ghost effect by 10, change size by -10. Just same like the ball, but no delete this clone. Stop all. So something happened like this. And if so everything is working. This is all for this video. So bye.